So congratulations! You've managed to plan your affiliate marketing strategy. You've made sure that you've developed the right resources and commercial policies for your affiliate marketing program. You've completed all the requirements in terms of getting ready to launch your affiliate program, and now you can actually launch it. So when you launch your affiliate program, there are some considerations you need to make, and we've listed these here on this slide. We'd always recommend you consider using a launch incentive for your affiliates to try and attract them to your program and to get them to start promoting you. So some good examples here could be an increased commission for a time period. So for example, the first month. Give them something to try and encourage them to sign up to your program. Provide that carrot on a stick. You could also look at what incentives are offered by the competition, perhaps by benchmarking them. Again, look at perhaps some of the other new merchant launches on your network that you've chosen, or look at what the competition offer in terms of incentives. Your network contacts can also make some recommendations here as well. I always advise that you do not launch your affiliate program on a Friday. This is just because, in case there's any technical issues which you can't rectify over a weekend, because the likely chances are that your affiliate network staff will be on their weekend and will not be checking their emails. Also, as part of launching your program, you must prepare your welcome email and also communicate your launch on all the relevant channels. So these could be through the network's newsletter, or the network might have a blog or even social media channels. So make sure you're harnessing these when you're launching your affiliate program. Talk to your network. Make sure you understand all the available channels open to you in terms of communicating with potential affiliates. There might also be wider affiliate forums that are available that your network or your agency can advise you about. So some key aspects for your launching your affiliate program. Thinking about utilizing a launch incentive. Make sure you benchmark that against perhaps the competition or other new merchants on the network. Always avoid launching your affiliate program on a Friday, and make sure you communicate your launch on all relevant channels that are available to you.